If you're someone who loves a good curry, especially ones that are packed with flavour, you're going to love this Trinidadian style chicken curry. It is my absolute favourite recipe from my new book, and I'm super excited to share it with you. The key to this recipe is what we call the green paste. We're using all these ingredients that are loaded in flavour, and we're going to marinate the chicken in it. Now, this is absolute key to just giving this chicken curry a unique, fresh, vibrant flavour. You've probably not tried a curry like it before, and I'm hoping that you'll enjoy it as much as I do. So we're creating this paste, and then we're pouring over chicken thighs. You could use chicken breast if you want to lower the calories, but I just think this is way tastier using chicken thighs. And as always, the longer you marinate this, the better the flavour is going to be. So give it at least 2 hours in the fridge. But when I make this, I marinate it overnight. Then when that's marinated, and the next day or whenever it is, you're going to start prepping your veg. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people will get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. When it comes to cook the curry, we're going to heat a large frying pan on a medium to high heat with some oil in it. And we're going to cook that chicken for several minutes until it gets lots of nice colour on both sides. It doesn't need to be fully cooked through at this stage, because that will happen when we add the other ingredients. I mean, how good does this look? So once you've got some nice colour on it, remove it from the pan and set aside. Then to the same pan, we're adding that onion and chilli. Don't worry if you've got bits of chicken stuck to the bottom of the pan. The onion will help deglaze it, and all those chickeny bits are just going to add more flavour. Then add equal measures of garlic and ginger, and you're going to fry that for a further 30 seconds or so. Add in a wee splash of stock and just mix that around the pan just to get rid of any burnt bits that may still be on the bottom of the pan before adding the rest of the stock to the pan. We're going to add in another teaspoon of curry powder, ideally a Caribbean blend if you can get it. If not, just regular supermarket curry powder is fine. And then we're going to add the chicken thighs back into the pan. Make sure they're nicely coated, reduce the heat down to about a simmer, and we're going to give that around 10 minutes with the lid on. If you've got any juices left on the plate, make sure to add them as well. After 10 minutes, remove the lid, give everything a mix through, and give it a further 10 to 15 minutes until everything thickens up and starts to look absolutely delicious. Then for plating up, we're going to garnish with some coriander, a wee squeeze of lime juice, and you can serve this with rice or breads, whatever you like. As always, thank you for watching this video. If you'd like the full recipe and a load of others, grab my new book. You'll find the link in the description below. See ya!